to clean your AM16 dish machine, close the door. Then push and hold the power button to turn the machine off. The machine will automatically drain. Wait for the machine to finish draining and shut down. Once the machine is off, open the door to begin cleaning. Make sure the wash and rinse arms rotate freely and are clear of any obstructions. If needed, remove the arms and clean out obstructions. Remove the rack track, scrap basket, and strainer pan, and wash and rinse them thoroughly in your sink. On ASR machines, remove the ASR basket and wash and rinse it thoroughly. Thoroughly cleanse and flush the dishwasher interior and remove any remaining food soil. Visually inspect the bottom of the wash tank for any remaining debris. On ASR machines, be sure to clean out the interior of the ASR box. Inspect if there is any remaining standing water from cleaning, and if so, shut the door and use the manual drain button to fully drain the machine. To reassemble the machine after cleaning, replace the strainer pan and scrap basket, and if necessary, the ASR basket. Install the upper and lower wash and rinse arms if you remove them. Replace the rack track in the correct orientation with a high side parallel to the direction of outgoing racks. Wipe down the machine exterior with a clean, wet dishcloth. Do not use steel wool, a scouring pad, or abrasive material to clean the machine. Do not spray the exterior with a hose. Use a standard screen cleaner or microfiber cloth to clean the touchscreen. Leave the door open after you complete the cleaning sequence at the end of the day to allow the interior to air out and dry. Deliming instructions are located on the front panel in the lower right-hand corner of the machine.